So here's the best practices how to use tags and mentions inside of Slack. So the first, you can do @channel mention, and it will notify everybody in that channel. I do not recommend to overuse this feature. So this is how it looks like: @channel. And as you can see, it says notify everybody. I don't recommend to do this unless there is something either urgent or you want everybody to get notified about this message. Second option is to add and somebody, let's say Liana, and we are tagging specific person, and that specific person for sure will get notification that you tag them. Because if you just respond, if you post something or reply in the threads, and if they are not subscribed to that thread, they might not receive that notification. So to make sure, you can tag them. The last option, if you have set up groups, you are able to tag the group. That group of people who are in that group will receive the notifications. For example, in our case, it's, let's say, designers. And as you can see, there's 11 members in that tag. So when I put @designer team, they all will receive this notification. So there's 3 ways how you can tag and mention people or groups of people in Slack.